Dear students, welcome back to economic class again. Today we study another very important topics in economics, that is change in demands. Change in demands. Does this demand change in any situation? We have studied what is demand, when price decreases, demand increases, etc. We studied. And my question is that whether this demand change in any situation. Yes, demand change due to many factors. We have learned that there are many factors affecting demands. They are price of the commodity, price of other commodities, income of the consumers, taste and preference, etc. And when these factors changes, demand also changes. As I mentioned earlier, the factors determining demand are broadly divided into two categories. It is price factor and non-price factors. These all together known as non-price factors affecting demands. Clear? And when these factors, taste changes, demand changes. When price changes, demand changes. When income changes, demand changes. Now let us study how the demand changes when these factors changes. And we divide these factors into price factor and non-price factor. First we study what happens in demand when price changes. A change means increase or decrease. And this change is known as expansion and contraction of demands. Expansion and contraction of demands. Change in demand due to change in price is called expansion and contraction of demands. As you know, expansion means increase, contraction means decrease. Now let us see an example. Suppose the price of a commodity is 20 and demand is 2. It is a demand point. This is called demands. When price decreases to 10, demand increases to 4. Increases to 4. When price is 10, demand is 4. And we draw a demand curve. And point A, point B. At point A, the consumer demand 2 quantity or 2 kilogram of commodity when price is 20. When price decreases to 10, the consumer demand 4 kilogram. This is called expansion of demands. The increase in demand due to decrease in price is called expansion of demands. Initially the consumer is at point A. Initially consumer is at point A. And when price decreases, the consumer move from point A to point B. That means he expands his demands. Or in other words, the movement from A to B. Why does this consumer move from A to B? What is the reason? Decrease in price. This is called expansion of demands. Right? Then suppose initial demand is at point B. Suppose a consumer, the price of a commodity is 10 and the consumer is at point B. That means he is purchasing 4 kilogram of a commodity. Price increases to 20. Price increases to 20. The consumer shift his demand from B to A. This is called contraction of demands. In other words, the movement from B to A due to rise in price is called the contraction of demand. Why does this consumer move from B to A? Because of increase in price. So we may say that decrease in demand due to increase in price is called contraction of demand. Contraction of demand. Clear? But this is the first reason of change in demand. Change in demand due to change in price is called expansion and contraction of demand. In this case, do you notice the consumer is moving along the same demand curve? When expansion happens, the consumer moves downwards along the same demand curve. When contraction happens, this consumer move upwards towards or along the same demand curve. The movement from A to B is called expansion of demand due to decrease in price. Movement from B to A due to increase in price is called contraction of demand. Okay, now let us see the reason of change in demand due to non-price factors. There are many non-price factors. There are many non-price factors like price of commodity, other commodities, income of the consumer, taste, etc. Suppose the price is 20. Price remains constant. Any of these factors change favorably to the consumer. What happens in demand? Price does not change. Price remains constant. For example, the price of the commodity is 20. The income of the consumer increases. What happens to his demands? Can you plot this change on this graph? Price does not change. Then how can we point this increase in demand? Suppose he moves to point C. Price does not change, but demand increases. Demand increases to 3. This movement is called increase in demand. Increase in demand. Suppose price is 10, price does not change, income alone increases, he moves rightward, and this is called increase in demand. The demand curve shifts rightward. The demand curve shifts rightward in the case of increase in demand. In short, we can say that increase in demand is indicated by the upward or rightward shift of the demand curve due to favorable change in non-price factors. Favorable change. Favorable change. And now the taste of a commodity decreases. Unfavorable factors affecting demand or income decreases. What happens? The demand curve shift leftward. The demand curve shift leftward to D, D2, 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 D2. This leftward shift of the demand curve is called decrease in demand. Decrease in demand. In short, decrease in demand is indicated by the downward or leftward shift of the demand curve due to change in unfair or change in non-price factors unfavorably to the consumer. Clear? But this is called, in the case of shifting demand, the demand curve changes rightward or leftward. Suppose a question comes like this. Now let us do an question. Due to coronavirus, the demand of sanitizer increases. Show these changes diagrammatically. This is a question. The demand of sanitizer increases due to coronavirus. Show it diagrammatically and what does this change called in economics. First you draw a demand curve of demand is taken on x-axis, price is taken on, here the commodity is sanitizer. Draw an initial demand curve of sanitizer. Demand, there is price and here it is demand. Then you just see the demand changes, whether changes due to change in price or change in non-price factor due to coronavirus, not due to change in price. The demand of sanitizer increases not due to decrease in price, but due to non-price factors. Non-price factors change favorably for this commodity. So this is the initial demand curve of sanitizer. When coronavirus affects the economy, the demand of this commodity changes favorably. This is called increase in demand. In the case of increase in demand, the demand curve shifts rightward, D1, D1. And before coronavirus, the demand of sanitizer is D, and when coronavirus affects the economy, the demand increases and the new demand curve is D1, D1. This is called change in demand. Change in demand of two types, expansion and contraction of demand and shift in demand. Increase in or change in demand due to change in price is called expansion and contraction of demand, and the consumer move along the same demand curve. And in the case of shift in demand, change or when non-price factors changes, taste, price of other commodity, income, fashion, etc. changes that also affect the demand. When these changes are favorable to the product, the demand curve shift rightward. This is called increase in demand. When these factors change unfavorably, the demand curve shift leftward. This is called decrease in demand. Okay, thank you.